Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix 504 gateway timeout when accessing Canva. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up a Chrome, select the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down and select third party cookies. Scroll down and select see all sided on permissions. In here you just need to search Canva, select the trash icon and select delete it, and on the left side you just need to scroll down and select extensions. You just need to disable all extensions in here guys, just turn it off. After disabling the extensions, you just need to check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on where internet connection you are using. In my case I am using Ethernet and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server type 8844. Click on OK. If first DNS didn't work, try this DNS guys. Just type 11111001. Click on OK. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video, just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these commands, you just need to check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, you just need to change the browser. Your browser may be the cause of the problem. If that is the case, changing your browser can solve the problem. You can use Opera browser or Firefox or Brave as an alternative to Chrome. After changing the browser, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If they help you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.